Hello students, you studied about nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. Now let us study about electrophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. Electrophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. You have already studied about electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene. You have studied. Electrophilic substitution means the substitution of hydrogen of aromatic ring, that is benzene ring, by the electrophile, that is electrophilic substitution reaction. So like benzene, haloarenes also undergo electrophilic substitution reactions like halogenation, then nitration, sulfonation and Friedel-Crafts reaction. So see, in haloarenes, the halogen atom contains lone pair of electrons. So these lone pair of electrons are involved in resonance with the pi electrons of the benzene ring. Therefore, in the resonance structures, you have studied resonance structures of chlorobenzene. Resonance structures you have studied. In the resonance structures of chlorobenzene, you have seen that the electron density increases due to resonance. The electron density in the benzene ring increases at ortho and para positions. That is, you have seen the negative charge is present. That is, electron density, negative charge is present at ortho and para positions. Therefore, here chlorine is ortho-para directing. It increases the electron density on the benzene ring. Therefore, it is the ring activator. It increases the electron density at ortho and para positions. Therefore, chlorine is ortho-para directing. Therefore, the electrophile attacks at ortho and para positions in haloarenes. The electrophile attacks at ortho and para positions. Therefore, in the electrophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes, two isomers are formed. That is, the ortho isomer and the para isomer are formed. Out of these two isomers, the para isomer is the major product. Para product is the major product because of steric hindrance in ortho isomer. In ortho, for example, in ortho dichlorobenzene, the chlorine atoms are present near to each other at the adjacent carbon atom. They have repulsion. They exert repulsion, that is called as steric hindrance, steric repulsion. Due to steric hindrance, para product is the major product in electrophilic substitution reactions. So we saw chlorine undergoes resonance, that is due to R effect. You have studied resonance effect, that is mesomeric effect, inductive effect and electromeric effect. In first PU you have already studied. So that is resonance effect is, that is R effect or M effect. So due to R effect, the electron density increases at ortho and para positions. That is, due to R effect, chlorine is the ring activator. Chlorine acts as ring activator. But here one more effect operates here. That is, chlorine, the halogens, are highly electronegative. That means they are electron withdrawing. So chlorine withdraws electrons from the benzene ring. It withdraws electrons from the benzene ring. Therefore, it deactivates, it decreases the electron density in the benzene ring. That means it acts as the deactivator. That electron withdrawing effect is minus I effect. So two effects operate here. One is the resonance effect. Due to resonance effect, the electrophile attacks at ortho and para positions. So orthoisomer and para isomers are formed due to R effect. Due to R effect, ortho and para products are formed. But one more effect, that is electron withdrawing effect, that is inductive effect, minus I effect, negative inductive effect. Due to negative inductive effect, this chlorine acts as ring deactivator. So out of these two effects, R effect and minus A effect, the inductive effect predominates. So inductive effect predominates. Therefore, the electrophilic substitution reactions in haloarenes do not undergo easily. The haloarenes are less reactive towards electrophilic substitution reactions. The electrophilic substitution reactions in haloarenes are slow. They undergo electrophilic substitution reactions slowly. That is under drastic conditions. That means on heating only. So this is the reason why the haloarenes undergo electrophilic substitution reactions slowly, even though the electron density increases in the benzene ring due to the presence of this chlorine, that is due to resonance effect. So now let us study some electrophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. First one, halogenation. Halogenation means substitution by halogen, that is chlorination we study. See, when chlorobenzene, chlorination of chlorobenzene, so when chlorobenzene is heated with chlorine, Cl bond Cl, in the presence of anhydrous ferric chloride catalyst, to form here ortho and para products are formed. Ortho dichlorobenzene, here chlorine atom Cl plus, this undergo heterolysis, Cl plus attacks here. So ortho dichlorobenzene this is ortho dichlorobenzene. Ortho dichlorobenzene and para dichlorobenzene are formed. Para dichlorobenzene are formed. This is para dichlorobenzene. Here, out of these two, this is the major product and this one is the minor product. Due to steric hindrance in ortho product, para product is the major product. Plus, here, since two products are formed, two molecules of chlorobenzene we have to take. Here, one chlorine attaches here, one chlorine attaches here, but that is one of the hydrogen atom, this hydrogen atom ortho, for ortho product, one hydrogen atom is replaced by chlorine. In the other product, this hydrogen atom is replaced. So 2HCl, the other product is 2HCl. So two molecules of chlorine are required here, 2HCl. So this is halogenation. Next one is, second one, nitration. Nitration means heating with the nitrating mixture. Here nitro group is the electrophile which attacks. Here when chlorobenzene, is heated with concentrated nitric acid. Nitrating mixture is mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid is called as nitrating mixture. So when chlorobenzene is heated with concentrated nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, here nitro group is the electrophile. This HNO3 ionizes, dissociates to OH minus and NO2 plus. So NO2 plus is the electrophile which attacks in ortho and para positions. So a mixture of ortho chloronitrobenzene, orthochloronitrobenzene and para-chloronitrobenzene are formed. Plus, here two molecules are required, 2 HNO3. So, 2 HNO3. Here, 1 H. This 1H, 2H are replaced. Those react with 2OH minus to form 2H2O. So the other product is water. 2 molecules of water. Here also para-chloronitrobenzene is the major product. Para-chloronitrobenzene is the major product. Orthochloronitrobenzene is the minor product. Next electrophilic substitution reaction is third one, sulfonation. Sulfonation. Sulfonation means when chlorobenzene is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid. A mixture of orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid and para-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid are formed. That is when chlorobenzene is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid. A mixture of orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid, SO3H. This is orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid and para-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Para-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid plus the other product here this H2SO4, it has to give HSO3, so it ionizes to give OH minus and SO3H, HSO3 plus. HSO3 plus is the electrophile. So this H, this 1H, 2 molecules are required. 2 molecules of concentrated sulfuric acid to form a mixture of orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid and para-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid plus 2H2O. The next one is fourth one, Friedel-Crafts. Friedel-Crafts, first alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Here which is the major product and which is the minor product? chlorobenzene sulfonic acid is the major product. This one is the major product. Okay, next electrophilic substitution reaction is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Here, when chlorobenzene is heated with alkyl halides like methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride, a mixture of orthochlorotoluene and parachlorotoluene are formed. Out of those, parachlorotoluene is the major product. So, when chlorobenzene is heated with methyl chloride, alkyl halide, that is methyl chloride, in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride catalyst, it forms a mixture of orthochlorotoluene and parachlorotoluene are formed. Orthochlorotoluene and parachlorotoluene are formed. Plus, here two molecules of react with two molecules of methyl chloride. So, 1H plus Cl, that is 2HCl. This parachlorotoluene is the major product. Here, the catalyst used in Friedel-Crafts reaction is anhydrous aluminium chloride. This is very important. Next is fifth one, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation means when chlorobenzene is heated with acetyl chloride. Acyl halides are used here. Acetyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride catalyst, a mixture of orthochloroacetophenone and parachloroacetophenone are formed. So, when chlorobenzene is heated with acetyl chloride, formula is CH3COCl, in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride catalyst, a mixture of orthochloroacetophenone COCH3, orthochloroacetophenone and parachloroacetophenone are formed, plus 2HCl. So, 2 molecules plus 2HCl. So, these are here in this, which is the major product is parachloroacetophenone is the major product. Parachloroacetophenone. Parachloroacetophenone is the major product. Here, the UPSC name of this is 2-chloroacetophenone and 4-chloroacetophenone. This is the major product. So, halogenation, nitration, sulfonation and Friedel-Crafts reaction. These are the electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene. These are important For exam, you have to learn and write all these electrophilic substitution reactions, and also you should know why the halogenes undergo electrophilic substitution reaction slowly, even though they contain chloro group, which is the activating group, octopara directing group.